Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable the IDM extension in your Chrome browser. It's a very simple process and you don't have to do much. Let's see my YouTube page, and this is a YouTube video, and as you can see there's no extension for IDM. So let me check whether I have installed the IDM or not. Okay, yeah, IDM is installed, but I can't see its extension here on this video. Now to enable your IDM extension in this browser, all you have to do is to go to your IDM installation folder, which is in my program files, x86 Internet Download Manager. Here I have to look for a particular file, and it is this guy. Okay, IDMGCEXT, and all I have to do is to drag it to my extensions in Google Chrome. I have to drag and drop it here and it will appear here. Okay, let's now check. So it is here now and it is enabled, and okay, let's refresh the page and see whether it works or not. Yeah, now it is working. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.